Imagine a world where water is a rare treasure, and life clings to survival with surprising resilience. In the heart of the desert, where the sun beats down relentlessly, a quiet revolution is happening. One that's not driven by machines, but by nature's own ingenuity. These aren't just tough plants. They're master architects of survival, designed to endure droughts that would kill most other life. They've evolved to store water, reduce moisture loss, and even thrive in the harshest conditions imaginable. But what makes them so fascinating? How do these plants, with their strange shapes and unassuming appearance, hold the key to surviving where others can't? Let's take a journey into the world of succulents and uncover their secrets. This is more than just a story about plants. It's a lesson in adaptation, resilience, and the quiet power of nature to survive in the most extreme environments. Let's begin. Succulents aren't just pretty plants in a pot. They're masters of survival, adapted to live where most plants can't. These resilient plants have evolved over millions of years to thrive in the harshest of environments. Their thick, fleshy leaves and stems are packed with water, acting like a natural reservoir. This adaptation allows them to store moisture for long periods, surviving droughts that would kill other plants. Many succulents also have a waxy coating that helps reduce water loss. This layer protects them from the sun's heat and keeps their internal moisture from escaping. Some species even have the ability to go dormant during extreme droughts. Their metabolism slows and they become hard and shriveled, waiting for the next rain to bring life back. But don't be fooled by their tough exterior. Beneath the spines and armor, succulents are incredibly delicate. They require specific care to thrive, and their survival is a testament to nature's ingenuity. You might not think about it, but succulents are some of the most resilient plants on Earth. They've mastered the art of surviving where nothing else can, and that's something worth respecting. Their ability to thrive in extreme conditions isn't just a cool fact. It's a lesson in adaptability. They teach us how to live with less, to store value, and to endure without giving up. Succulents also help stabilize the environment. Their roots hold soil in place, prevent erosion, and provide shelter for tiny desert creatures that are often overlooked. By caring for these plants, we're not just protecting beauty. We're protecting the delicate balance of ecosystems that support life in the harshest places on our planet. And let's be honest, they're pretty cool to look at too. Their shapes and colors are a reminder of how life can flourish in the most unexpected places. Succulents have been surviving for over 100 million years, long before humans ever walked the earth. These plants adapted to the harshest environments, evolving to store water and minimize loss in the driest climates. During the Mesozoic era, as the continents drifted and deserts expanded, succulents found their niche. They thrived in regions where other plants couldn't, becoming masters of scarcity and endurance. As the Ice Age waned and climate shifted, some succulents migrated to new areas, while others remained in place, evolving further to cope with the ever-changing conditions of their environment. Human influence has added a new layer to their survival story. Today, succulents are not only surviving in the wild, but also thriving in gardens and homes around the world, where they continue to adapt and inspire. From ancient deserts to modern gardens, succulents have shown that survival is not just about enduring hardship, but about adapting, thriving, and even evolving into new forms of beauty and resilience. Succulents are like little water balloons. They store water inside their thick, fleshy leaves and stems. That helps them survive when it's really dry. When there's no rain, they slow down. They don't grow fast, and they don't need much food. That's why they can live in the driest places on Earth. Their leaves and stems are shaped to catch rain and sunlight. Some even roll up to protect themselves from the hot sun. Even when it's really hot and dry, they don't give up. They just wait for the next rain, and then they come back stronger than ever. To begin, succulents start with a strong root system that anchors them in the soil and draws water from deep underground. This is their first line of defense against the harsh desert conditions. The roots are often covered in a waxy coating, which helps reduce water loss and protects them from the sun's harsh rays. This adaptation is crucial for survival in extreme heat. Above ground, the leaves are thick and fleshy, designed to store water like a sponge. This allows the plant to survive even during long periods without rain. Some species even have a layer of reflective tissue on their leaves, which helps them absorb less heat and retain more moisture. This is a clever way to stay cool in the desert. Finally, the stem acts as a reservoir, storing extra water and sometimes even performing photosynthesis. This makes the plant highly efficient at using every drop. Once the roots are in place, the succulent begins to store water in its leaves and stems. This is where the magic really starts. The plant becomes a living water tank, ready for the long dry spells ahead. The thick, waxy cuticle on the surface acts like a protective shield, minimizing water loss. It's like the plant is wearing a waterproof coat in the desert heat. Inside the leaf cells, there's a special kind of tissue called parenchyma, which swells with water. This makes the leaves look plump and juicy, a clear sign the plant is storing its precious moisture. When the plant needs water, it can slowly release it through tiny pores in the leaves. This controlled release ensures it doesn't waste a single drop, even during the hottest days. This whole process is a perfect example of how evolution has shaped these plants to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. They're not just surviving, they're adapting with remarkable efficiency. Now, here's the clever twist. Many succulents have a unique way of storing water in their leaves and stems. This isn't just about volume, it's about efficiency. They've evolved to trap moisture in their cells, like tiny water balloons waiting for the right moment to burst. Some species even have specialized cells called bulliform cells that expand and contract with moisture levels. When it's dry, they shrink, and when it rains, they swell, helping the plant stay plump and alive. Even more impressively, some succulents can store water in their stems, allowing them to grow tall and reach sunlight while still keeping the water safe inside. It's like a portable water reserve built into their very structure. This strategy lets them survive in harsh conditions, where most plants would wilt and die. It's not just about storing water. It's about living smart in a world where water is the ultimate prize. So, the next time you see a succulent, remember, it's not just a pretty plant. It's a master of survival, built for the harshest of environments. And that's the clever twist of evolution at work. Underneath the sun's relentless gaze, succulents have evolved a unique way to store and use water. Their thick, fleshy leaves and stems act like tiny reservoirs, holding moisture like a sponge. Their cells are packed with a special type of sugar called sucrose, which helps them retain water and even lower the freezing point of their internal fluids. Many succulents also have a waxy cuticle on their surfaces, which reduces water loss and reflects the harsh sunlight, protecting them from overheating. In extreme drought, some species can enter a state of dormancy, halting growth to conserve energy until rain returns. It's a survival strategy as ancient as the desert itself. From the molecular level to the entire plant, the science of succulents is a masterclass in adaptation. Every cell, every leaf, every root plays a role in surviving where others would perish. So here's the thing about succulents. Think of them like a really smart, low-maintenance roommate. They don't need constant attention, and they know how to save themselves when things get tough. When the rains don't come, they just hold their breath. They store water like a tiny, portable water tank, waiting for the next drop to fall. Succulents are like the old-school survivalists of the plant world. They don't need a fancy habitat, just a little sun, some dirt, and a whole lot of patience. They've been doing this for millions of years, adapting, thriving, and surviving in places where most plants would wither and die. That's not just resilience, that's genius. So next time you see a succulent, remember, this is not just a pretty plant. It's a master of survival, a living testament to nature's quiet, incredible power. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.